vision for an independent Christian co-ed school was birthed in 1987 under the covering of Harvest Church in Port Elizabeth on the sunny coast of South Africa's Eastern Cape. Harvest Christian School had a humble beginning when the first preschool and primary school children started classes in a few spare rooms on church premises at 19 Albert Road in Walmer. By 1991, 6 of the initial students became the first class of the high school. As numbers grew, buildings were acquired on property across the road from the church, where the first 4 grade 12 pupils reached their graduation in 1995.
The Harvest ethos rests on the guiding principles of knowing God intimately and seeking His will in the world in every endeavor. Our core values and teaching methods are carefully and unashamedly rooted in God's Word as the absolute truth that governs and disciples all facets of life.
As a member of the Association of Christian Schools International, Harvest has continued to be actively involved in the latest developments for Christian education globally. Harvest's personal learning environment truly sets it apart as a quality institution. Learners benefit from a low pupil-to-teacher ratio, which allows for individual attention and care. Indoor learning is always supplemented by out-of-classroom training in the form of outings, social weekends and development camps focused on building relationships and social skills.
Harvest continually strives towards a high standard of academic excellence and harmonious balance of knowledge and applied skills. Our graduates continue to be accepted into top tertiary institutions where there's a high demand and limited access.
Harvesters can get their heart rate up in a wide range of summer and winter sports, ranging from soccer and hockey to squash and water polo. Our primary and high school teams have achieved immense success at inter-school and inter-league competitions, with many pupils going on to excel at provincial and national levels.
Our pupils are encouraged to participate in a wide range of extramural activities to identify and develop their God-given talents.
Our music department has become a unique chapter of the school, offering theory and practical training in a wide range of instruments, including piano, drums, flute, and voice, among others.
Whatever the gifts and talents of our students, Harvest places great importance on encouragement through recognition and reward systems in the sphere of academics, sport, cultural activities, character development, and service to school and community.
It is only as we look back on the road travelled to this point that we can truly appreciate the hallmarks achieved and blessings bestowed along the way. We look to the future with much expectation for continued growth as we watch each wave of confident leaders passing on the baton to the next pool of upcoming world changers. We trust that the ripple effect of each wave will reverberate through the city, the country, the continent, and even the ends of the earth.